Everybody are going to come and hear the man. Everybody are going to come and hear the man. Never forget Swiss Pipe and tell Martel say the thing and I. Watch it now. He go to go night. He go to go night. Today to go night. Today to go night. Today hour. Hey. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, fireball.
Yeah.
Happy Boxing Day,
You see that there? I use up the axe here. A chop piece of preventer wood. You see it as usual. Start out the goat today. The real goat head.
How you do to this goat? What kind of goat you give?
Manish water you get today.
Yeah?
How are yourself?
That was so bad.
You know long more.
Can smell the flavor. Get up out
You
of preventer wood already.
know long more about this preventer wood there. I mean not to get to buy one man actually deal. But now me get the chance. And now we might go nice today.
Oh God, man.
Them talk about Rasta goat head. Try man eat the ram goat regular. See it here? This is a piece of skin. And this is the head. So it's when this done and set up the manish water. I'll squiddle on you today and Martel. Wiggle!
I see you that. So yes, Rasta. You know no more money short after today.
Me? What is this up?
Just based on the cleaning preparation.
The children don't look about the thing them properly. Can you see? You have to look out yourself. You cannot carry anywhere you buy it.
Yeah.
You can't just get it so. You can't just cut up your knife, so you have to clean up yours.
The final clean.
Yeah, man, then you have to do your own thing, man. If you don't clean up yourself, you think you can't look properly. You have to clean up yourself, general. Create it
How
up.
you feel later on?
Why I don't want that? Just as you walk on, all I filth in my belly and everything.
Yes, no more money shorter.
If me do ever know, say I saw it look.
Take a cup, man.
Huh?
I tell you, that's nice.
I don't think so.
You don't know him, Mr. Rasta.
Him? Well, me say the right part I go.
Yeah. Yeah, the head, the may come out, eh?
Yeah, you say, the main, you know. Strongest part, you know. And see stronger part again, you know, is skin.
Yeah.
You see it?
The gumption.
Gumption. This all of this it put on, and they over crank, that bother.
What do you call crank?
Why fire, like you have fireside. Like the first time people use that like butchery. They have their fire in and then call it butchery. You see me?
Yeah.
So then put up all them and tripe over it. Make it dry.
Yeah.
All the pork tripe, put over it and it dry. All my mother usually do it too.
The pork tripe?
What?
So then time that when you see it all the pork
Yeah, they tell them I look about the pork then. They tell the pork nice man. Me not tell them like if I want me get a 15-year-old and me go buy it. Buy a dinner ticket and go near it and mash it up. Me not touch back that
so,
again.
so that means if you never mash you up, you still a tear him down.
No?
Yeah.
I'm tearing down here.
The good old
Broke
pork.
past that.
Grow past that. Me not tell no. Back in the them days there, in my mother days, pork is nice. Me don't know about now, because me don't know it taste like. You understand me?
Yeah.
You going to pass and
You want a reminder?
yeah, you going to pass and smell them and look about it like all the jerk place and them place.
Yeah, man,
Smell good though.
Always smell. I smell, me not taste.
Smell good though.
Me don't know about smell good.
That's the
Me
truth.
say if you want
The-
to smell good,
the-
you have to go down and go check it for yourself.
The hand bias.
You see,
slow.
you-
smell it.
When you smell
Me
it,
say
you
me
smell
smell
good.
it. Me
And
not
it smell-
taste it. So if you want to taste it, you go down there. So I not go down there go taste nothing.
Oh, smell good.
Go
Me
smell good.
ask you though. When
No,
you
me
smell
no know
it,
about
it
good
does smell
part.
good.
Me no know about it smell good part. Me no say me smell it.
Yeah.
See and way.
I do bias.
Eh?
The bias right now.
No, man, me no bias. I straight thing me I tell you
The
higher.
truth.
I tell you the truth. Simple. Nothing beat the truth.
But this is a bad still.
You see it? Look on it, people. Very pretty. When this done, man, nah believe say it.
Yeah, mama, cherry D bone it good just like that.
Yeah, man, couple bone right that's a left it.
That's at least that.
This some clean water there. Squidly. Oh, water now.
Yeah, water in the pan.
So then clean up and pretty.
Yeah.
People, that's why you have to prepare the thing. When I deal in manish water. See? You get the skin, one piece left. Never said a piece of so far.
Yes, you get the skin out.
You roast it. Scrape it, man.
Rasta, in a money short, you don't feel like say. The young banana make it nice, the nice skin.
Then when I get that one done, man.
But me ask you, that make it nice.
Yeah, then the young banana make it get more flavor. Make it better.
Yeah.
You see, because you chop your banana with the skin see when you not pit out, you know.
No, sir. I high on that, you know.
High on that, if you pit out that, you don't make sense to get none. Because waste time.
Yeah.
And boy, you want manish water.
If you spit it out, you go weak.
I can you get the best part. You see? So I tell the man them, I say, when I eat goat and I eat this heap of blasted green. I no busy doing no.
No eat a green.
Me not say I no eat greens, but me not full up myself and on greens and then me weak.
Yeah.
See that? Ram goat. Right. Prescribe and love it. Loving the people who are dealing with the thing on it. Up the Martel. Big up!
Big up.
So,
Rasta, where bother?
like
Cow
what?
skin or goat skin, yeah. As how people are curry cow skin, Rasta.
You ever see
This
somebody
one
do
can
that?
curry to Goat skin.
Why not?
Ask.
You can't post it as
It good and nice.
So
eh?
I never yet heard that.
Yeah.
But it sound good.
But
It sound like you would have nice.
That water.
Yeah, get rid of all of that.
Yeah, so you make it come cleaner.
Clean like how goat cow skin clean.
White and pretty.
Yeah.
And season him up as usual. Everything, you mean it can't work here?
Now think about it now, though, Rasta.
We not cook none.
You don't like the goats again.
No, but you want curry goat skin and how you go get curry goat skin? Think everywhere you go get goat skin?
What you mean? Enemy chops up.
Rasta no want that man. I goat himself in one man. That's why I'm attack someone.
Live normal goat. We don't know
Yes,
goat
you
pass.
want a piece of goat for curry again.
Yeah, we don't know pass.
But all that Rasta, some cake, we don't want to eat that with though, some coconut dumpling.
Anything you want to eat it
goat.
with. Anything you want to eat it with.
Yeah.
You want to eat with the yam,
Yeah.
it works same way. That goat.
Yes, a brown stew.
With brown stew.
Good goat.
You know brown stew goat already?
No.
You don't have no more brown stew goat. That's curry goat.
We don't get no brown
We
stew
don't get
goat
no
yet.
brown
stew
stew.
goat.
No brown stew goat.
Curry.
Curry.
Yeah.
Oh, this name Rasta.
Pumpkin.
Hiking.
Ionkin.
Hiking.
No hiking no there because we not go hike.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So yes, all of this are going with the
No, watch me now.
yeah.
So I can see me I cut up this.
Yeah.
I put on the water upon the pot. Now I pot everything where you see me. Yes, Cherry. Yeah. When you see me I want to put up the thing, you know, all of them things are going one time with the goat head. You go and cook. I got this and the Irish are going to be the last. Okay, and the flour.
Oh.
And then all them I cut up and go and boil out. You understand me?
So that no could have
Make
been
them
last
boil
two
out?
months.
No man, everything I boil out.
Me don't want it to okra in my cup.
You know what? You don't get no okra in your cup.
A girl by you make.
I'm telling you, you not get no okra. Boil out. Okra have to boil out tonight. You not get no gerber. You don't know that. Yo, tell Chergy one next something to wash off them thing. Something for wash off is something that me cut up.
Where you know about the okra?
Yo, I'm telling you about the okra. When the okra go in the soup, it have to boil out. That's everybody get in them plate. You can't say you're going to put it last night and that's your one okra in your plate. You can't in your cup. It can't work so. It have to boil out. When it boil out, everybody get in them cup.
And it liquefy.
And then the liquid you go drink.
We never really want that. We
You want
You
okra?
say you want some dice up
You want some
and
dice?
in your cup.
When we take up my okra, I see slime and run off of it.
If you want dice up okra, see, just get some raw one when you're done. I'm cut up your hand after I done, you can drop in the soup, see him.
This is a gimmick thing.
No, I'm not giving thing. You think that joking the okra is raw?
Where we are going to get
So
that?
long
Where we
now.
are gonna get that now?
Hold on, okra not raw.
Yeah, but where we are going to get that now? Yeah, so after I soup, don't forget it. Where we are
What I
going to
mark
get
it?
Gimmicks to get them
I don't
fun,
mark
man.
them, but I
Everything
mark
good,
it
man.
from How I
Everything
feel.
good.
When I feel on top of something, the Rasta, I'll describe one love, Martel, up and running. Yeah, right now I pumpkin milk slice up, put on the goat head and now. So I was season him up,
Like it,
put
like
it in
it.
my pot. So when it's done, you see the difference.
So you season it up, Rasta?
Just with some all-purpose, nothing more. What Cherry have in there.
Alright.
You see, not that type of season can make it bitter. You understand me, General? So we don't want nothing for bitter. And the soup we have to drink when they done it nice now. But the hot beer there. Want hot beer too, you know? Hot beer for come night when we done now.
Nice soup.
Yeah, man, you watch how I swear I go man. I will make you feel you never know so hot beer going to soup. I go see it today. Today, I go see it today. Say, a real dodo. You never expect all the while, say, boy, all you hear me attack. And you attack, say, boy, you never know so you can't come out and soup. Beer can go in a soup. Beer go in a anything. Beer go on meat. All your meat we have cooked
I'm
out.
beer in a forest.
And beer in a forest. We know I know forest one, you know. I want in a buckle one. D&G.
Oh.
See? Strictly D&G red stripe beer we got to use today in the ram goat. We see I go to this, you know. The animal call me goat, but I don't beside us say meh and don't watch down face. Got to stick to the ram goat Rasta deal it today, you know. Today's boxing there.
Over there?
Them a box.
Boxing? Or them a
Boxing there.
So they say them a box today. But no boxing ring in Africa.
Yeah.
You see it?
See, so I didn't forget any 30 to Rasta.
Yeah, maybe think then they may have to start boiling night. But you know,
no, too much
Really, Gerber?
and they may have to boil up in nice soup, everything I go boil out in my youth.
We don't get none of them if you eat then.
Oh, you mean you not get none to eat? Why?
I go boil and vanish away.
No, sir. Carrot can't vanish away. And we can't vanish away, I have to grate it and blend it out.
Only way.
Only way vanish.
Alright, I'm going to remember this part of every day.
But you can't vanish away if you cut it up so in high food.
Okay.
What I go vanish away? Tell me.
You boil out till
You
it...
can't boil out and that's you can't done for you try nice soup.
Oh. Alright, yeah, on the program, anything else, Rasta? Allah,
Martel.
Yeah, anything else on the law?
You know that me I deal with Martel, straight Martel thing we are dealing with, and have to run the program, make the program nice. See? Our soup we say, goated today, it'll go nice.
Yeah,
see?
peeps.
The boy can't white rubber ground again today, you know, people.
Some now going nice soup.
One cock full, but you always a car rum come here, you know. And me tell you say rum root to your parents, you know. But
I'm not rude to my appearance.
I never see you do that. I never see you do that. But if you stop drinking rum, boy.
So who you are drinking?
You see me I drink now? I cut up carrot with nice goated soup. You know so?
Right.
Cut up Rasta, cut up carrot while wood fire down there, blaze on my pot. Alright.
The fire
Yo,
stick.
you see how you come back with more wood stick. Wood we use. Firewood. You see big piece of pimento that we chop up today.
Yeah.
Then
It
they are fire.
flavor is soup, you know.
Then the flavor is soup with that, man. And the pimento, wood down there and a piece of sweet wood.
Yes, sir, I flavor it.
Yeah. So a piece of radwood there, so if you shout out.
Rad stick.
Radwood. Oh, rad. We don't have no rad stick here.
Alright.
I remember saying my people.
That good figure, Cherry. I remember. A road we are dealing. A road we are talking. Wood. Firewood. Rat stick away girl then get.
Alright.
I would me the daddy just slam down and come
Teach
off.
them the code Rasta. Rad stick
I with the
and
girl.
radwood.
Yes, are two different things. See people, them style. When you boil a nice soup, you know no big, nothing nasty, you know?
Yeah.
So like boil out now your soup and your manish water, like we are dealing today.
I look like everything I go boil out today.
No, don't say that. Everything now.
That's how we really wrong it in, man.
I don't say enough talk, man. So I have to love it.
Yeah.
I feel flavor that, you know.
Talking.
Yeah, talking. So I can't know about him talking. Why Rasta dealing the right thing meantime, because this is the man that boil the flour.
Yeah.
Make it and the
Plaster flour.
plaster flour. And then come away with the always I try for Rasta cook.
Since you say already, you know, if you need the flour for you.
Yeah, well, I need my flour, me I go cook. I say, it can't work.
Yeah.
And tell me about me I go cook. What you call it rice?
So,
Soup rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man my bunny out tell you last night out the road say, do not say that about the Rasta, because Rasta don't cook nothing near soup rice. Look for the rice where the Rasta cook out. Oh, it's nice. Cheese, that's prescribed. Martel, up and love it.
Coward fruit time.
Yeah, watch it general.
So, you ain't got coward fruit.
You don't know what them say.
So, when you eat it, you coward.
Braver.
Oh, you're brave, huh?
Braver. Breadfruit, you see that?
Coward fruit.
That's how they live now.
Are we Africa this year coming from the Rasta?
So the,
the ship.
the Black Star Line ship.
The slave ship.
Slave ship.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know say a slave ship?
See, what you mean? So for your little you know, teacher that's why we should eat none of this, no slave food.
That me sure say a fool. You should talk about because this can't slave food.
What you mean?
Because no slave a look about it. The Rasta. This can't be no slave food. The Rasta look about this.
Alright, Rasta.
I'm mad. No slave food around here. About slave food. It's going to feed the whole nation. Breadfruit.
You see you in a chain and shackle? Both slave.
Both slave. Look here. What about me have on today? I deal with the thing.
No slave food.
No slave food around here. It's free for anybody eat it.
We don't need a cover for that.
Yeah, but with the,
Breeze a blow. That thrown there.
oh, what we are use as the cover now?
My we not know.
Nah, no big pot cover. Cherry, want to hear a big pot where they have there?
Yeah, going good so far. Alright, look
Too
peeps.
small.
Colorful, don't?
What you mean? You show them? Show them?
Boil down to your taste test final result, you know? I'm not going good so far.
Music
As
no
you
be
don't know, Rasta track record great so far.
Okay. Up
Yes,
and running.
sir.
say
And I
there.
like mine.
Yes, you
I
know,
don't like it.
nothing yet.
You know, run the experiment
But
still,
he
so.
just got close to the rice the last time.
Me in no
Yeah.
lab. Me in no lab for run no experiment. You have to tell people me run the experiment. I
No,
want to tell you.
me
No
I
experiment
run- me I
also.
run the
And
experiment,
you
them.
do experiment and apply flour I use all the
Yes,
and the pan.
sir. Our laboratory Rasta.
I lab in my deal. Lab
Lab
flour.
rat.
Like all the lab you're going to have to go deal with flour for give it. Because you use a spoon and knife. I never see that yet in my life. Jesus Christ.
Spoon and
What could I
knife.
cause that?
What could that cause this?
What could I cause this? Spoon and knife. We mix flour. Eh? And you said Rasta using a spoon and flour. Where they look, you just say me put and take look at me and I show you said do just a spin so boy.
Yeah,
Just
look
a-
here.
look here boy.
Look
And that's what me have the flour so show up and show you.
Do
And
firm.
and not even water you see in my plate and no flour left. And for you one peke. I say, I'm sorry, I run from the children like here and not dip up in night and not dry up on the wall make the people and say, and the real plaster flour you
Just
cook.
saying flash all your rice.
I mean flash it with rice pan the show say no and no soft rice make cook.
Show him it.
Show him it. In the last night when I man I tell you say, do not talk. That's about the Rasta again. Cause you get yourself in trouble, boy.
Yeah.
Manners and respect. See it, youth? Rasta dice up the goat head at the right here, the like season, you know? So no see it, people. He said today, boxing day. Now do no boxing over Rasta yard, and goat head we are cook today. Martel.
Goat head, I cook
Goat
goat head.
head. Goat head, I cook goat head, they say. But sagled out a road there. Remember me tell you when he see this here, he might go and drink some. Remember me tell you that in a sagled. You are come talk about a beer goat you see me on camera cook. I want to give some of this goat soup here today, you boy sagled. You stay there. Don't worry yourself. Cocoa leaf we have on the fire. As you would have it. Now see there, people. That's true it. Right here. Eat the people. Everything we put in night. So you know, so when they start cook down people and they start smell it, everybody are gonna run come. Let me say, see the people. Everybody are gonna run come and hear the man. Everybody are gonna run come and hear the man. Everybody are gonna run come and hear the man. Never forget Swiss pipe and tell Martel say the thing and night. Watch it now. He go to go night. He go to go night. Today to go night. Today to go night. Today hour. Hey. Boom boom.
Yeah, fireball, I cut up some banana.
Yeah.
What is this? Banana porridge.
Yeah. Banana porridge. The iron I put in nice soup.
So that means you not go cook then, man.
Should I put iron in there? I don't know cast iron. It's a banana iron.
It's a banana iron.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but banana.
Banana.
So me I talk about people. Eh?
Hey, me nah lie, Rasta.
Mm.
This to me, I wickedest thing in a manish water, you know.
The banana. Then the
The
banana.
Which banana? Top say
Banana.
banana. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Without this, me not feel me don't want a cup of it.
Then we do the banana in the car nice.
Yeah. Banana and the goat there, though.
Mm-hmm. Any I cook money short and banana and cut up in with the skin, it can't nice.
Mm-hmm.
Remember me tell you
True,
that.
man.
If this not in the banana
Can't
short,
nice.
it cannot nice.
True, man.
Okay.
Just like how they say if spinners in a stew peas, they can't nice.
Alright, and this get the spice.
Mhm.
This get the spice.
You don't eat anything, Rasta.
As I said that, though, you know, you see, spinners complement the stew peas
Yeah.
body, you know.
Yeah?
Spinners complement the stew peas, man.
True, man. But you know, I know stew peas, it no pigtails still. You know, the Rasta? No handle.
No devil around.
No, no, miss.
You are miss something, but we not miss none.
Nothing.
If you are missing, we not missing.
Me no miss nothing. Me eat all I meat kind of grew up on 4 foot and splitted hooves and everything, you know.
Yes, sir. From
Yeah,
the
man.
tail to the nose.
Yeah, man, from the tail to the nose.
Every meat kind of eat.
I say from the tail to the nose.
Eat all donkey.
From the tail to the nose. Yeah, that need more water, Rasta.
Yeah, here, Rasta.
No, dog, you know, mess up.
Mess up?
You must stay focused, you know.
Me always focus, man. Never that. No, now no can't get me out, man.
Yes,
You think I like this? This one I talk about. Say you get stage fright. I know stage on the way me there.
Inside stage fright, like in the
Stage
plaster floor.
fright in the plaster flour. Oh, you for the plaster flour and get stage fright.
Yeah.
Never see that yet.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just
Rasta.
concentrating, concentrate.
Just know the water we are through.
That's all.
That's all.
Probably a tree enough of regular to do, Rasta.
Yeah.
You don't understand.
I understand the cooking. That's true.
Oh, no, tell me so.
You cook regular down a yard?
Eh?
What? You a Chris saying cook regular.
Which Chris?
Chris out of Philly Chris
When
there.
you saying cook.
bully beef and bread.
Yes, I'm cooking.
That's not cooking.
I'm asking, but yeah, no, what they would tell you, go buy 2 pounds of chicken already. The man say, yo, bully beef and bread. We say, you're sick in your head.
Only my next one too.
Bully beef.
You need to start around the fire.
Rasta, bully beef, you know?
Bully beef and bread.
Yeah, that look how we are. Yeah. You don't feel so?
You don't know where the beef, but if you go back where they let bully beef and bread for what?
We need to put him over the fire side.
Hungry strike, you put it on.
Yeah. Bully beef and bread.
Me hate when I got 9 and that then go off for yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, then that first thing then give them a sandwich.
I think a spread and bread. No spread and bread then get 9 night, man.
That's
Generally, but you
generally.
might tell about the budget one, them, you know?
Budget one them.
Rasta now about that giving an ugly dumpling today.
You get
flower
none.
for pretty like flowers.
You get none. What do you?
Yeah?
Yeah. Never. That discount one for long one.
No, the long, yeah, Rasta. But, nah, like Rasta, the goat smell active.
There's a goat ring.
Yeah, and it smell ring.
Yeah, some spinners can go in it.
Ah, the
Being
long
that
one.
are some round cup.
The long one, fiddly.
No, spinners.
No long nothing. Rasta, what that, man?
Oh, yes.
That's how then the boil and swell it up.
You can't sit no ugly, man.
Yo, if me I tell him about the ugly dumpling them, man. I'm sure people about
You see that with CP there? So
No, roll on again, show you. Roll
all
on.
yeah,
So roll
squeeze
back.
and
I roll when I get out show.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Come on.
ugly like sin.
Sin? You ever seen Sin yet?
Lord, the ugly, man.
Them dumpling now.
Alright, do it again. I'll show them it. Show them it. Show them it.
See there?
Let me see, hold it.
Show them it.
See the people?
Oh, dead man, this.
That's what they want to
What's
do.
up?
Oh, boy.
I can't mean, you can't mean.
No, man, show it in see make I want to see the outcome of that, man.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
but-
All you know no sense.
Come on, boy, Rasta. Yeah, man, Rasta, but the sketch color, not even get in, not even the roast and ugly, man. That's it. Thing tough, Rasta.
Am I going well?
Yeah, man. Man, go on good, man. That is the floor.
Rasta, I'm gonna do no more spinners.
Yeah, man. A flat floor, man. No,
Yeah.
long one there. Yeah, they have one.
Can give them round, square, triangle. No, we don't know what spinners do.
Yeah.
I'll give you some spinners.
No, leave it alone. Alright, I'll go on now. Tough.
Is it tough? It's a come along. It's a come along, man.
You stay there, man.
Let's say I'll go and go Rasta.
It's a come along, man.
Well, look, peeps. Look like it all turn Gerber.
It's a come along, man. Meat the one another for 10 minutes, Rasta.
That's
So you can season it.
Okay.
Rasta, if you eat meat, nobody eat that by camera.
Yeah, man. I got this.
Man.
About another 10 minutes, though.
You want to get sour.
10 more minutes and you're ready.
Yeah, yeah.
That one good?
A banana.
Alright then.
Banana that.
I'll taste it.
Fiddly.
Hey, it goes.
After how long Rasta cook?
About from 8 o'clock this morning.
About 4 now.
Yeah.
You're lucky.
Dinner, where I get this from?
Little man shot a key and done.
Yeah, idiot.
Like a dead yard. A dead yard.
Dead yard.
Yeah, the man, you no come after blood clot and all that.
Yeah.
Rasta. You hear your mouth? Like, no man, how you get out of character, sir?
No, I don't want to flip. I don't know football game with it. Cricket. No,
Dinner, where I get this for though?
Yo, no matter where you want to get it for, you get it. Cause yo,
That was nice.
yeah, cause guess what now? When I say meat, you know, and something you just put on and it just cooks up quick, you know.
It's tough.
It look like he whole.
All good.
Yeah, cause I know a young one in kill.
That one on the road that the whole heap
Whole
exercise.
up and run up and down. You see, it fit like figure.
Holy a tear.
Yeah, so you have to make him cook good.
Yeah. You know, if you ever up and get squid with this, I laughing, you know. So what is Rasta?
No,
Yeah, food,
none
yeah.
of that. I cook it now, you hear say, yo, Rasta, me can't be there cook me goat, give it to that, the can't chow.
That's a peanut.
A
Peanut,
peanut.
what is Rasta?
A peanut goat you want today? It have to cook good, man.
Run
No,
go out on the front page, is it?
no worry yourself, man. It have to cook good, Rasta. Rasta now cook nothing in no years.
Yeah. Yes, make what?
Years.
That is it.
Right.
So they may find a little ingredients plus them things.
Yeah, this is final ingredient I go in there. Yam. I go in there now.
Rooster noodle.
And then the roaster noodle.
Yeah. Give that for another
Hmm?
20 minutes.
No, what hour?
Another
Hour?
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
At midnight, I took you.
Yeah, no
I
matter.
let me a flashlight. Go.
No man, carry they have to carry you over, man. No real, you don't have to use no flashlight.
Alright, I go buy a box food in the meantime.
Then I go and go buy
Go and
go buy a coffee you can't bet out of more.
Are we saying about it?
Out of more.
See ya!
Watch it now. This is the yam, the last ingredients are going on, and after I put in this now, people, I put in the noodle. You see it? So here the pot of bubble. Here the pot of bubble, people. Put on, here the pot of bubble.
Nothing.
You can't see nothing.
Steamy.
You can't see bubbling. Eh? Real firewood on the goat here.
Fire stick.
Firewood? Cherry tells us firewood now.
Cherry not there.
Cherry gone left.
Rajad, you man girl left me and them man are not to Rajad. Be a problem, me I tell you not to Rajad. Like a woman girl. Me not no back it again now. And who are them the
No cherry.
No cherry around Rasta. What a thing like this.
They will pay.
In
Pot
a-
of one good.
In like boxing day, oh Lord, man. Cherry! Right here. Jesus.
One heap of food in the pot in the Rasta.
Where the water they run from, I come down.
No,
So you just store it?
Water, you just store it.
Okay. I wonder where that come from.
Sack
say,
of bread.
You know what happen?
Dumpling never stick.
No.
Ah.
You want more water time because you feel so down night pot already like it task. They call it now the okra them.
Rasta no salt, I go salt this man.
This? Come, taste it.
No.
Everybody else Rasta no few salt, you know man.
Them are claffy. You can't
It's a
chat.
madness a matter.
Madness them I tell you. If you know it's salt, you dry out.
Yes, Rasta no
Because you're not going to drink no water. Salt make you produce water out of your body.
Come like electrolytes.
Yeah,
Body.
you mean? So you have to have little salt. You know use a whole heap of salt for DJ, for mash up yourself. But you have to have salt for DJ that in your body. So when you
You know what
sweat,
your body?
DJ,
DJ,
DJI,
Oh.
DJI, DJI, Rastafari. You see the man who laugh off I try to cook more. I'm telling you, when I eat too much salt, I'm going to DJI. I. It's prescribed. 3 hot pepper. See it there? Right now,
Them
Rastafari.
Rasta, them are expensive, you know.
Yeah, the pepper them have to be expensive, you know. I have to get pepper for you, that much I know.
That's what I put in.
Some noodle,
Rooster noodle.
rooster noodle or what. You know when I root them.
Cock
But
noodle, man.
yeah, we get the fish one, that's nicer. The ram goat one.
Okay, we'll show them how go and beer steam and jump out of
You
pot.
mean, you know, so them fi see steam a jump out of Rasta goat pot, man. A Rasta goat pot, this, you know, so them have to see steam a jump out, you know. Natural steam. So you drink them soup, yeah, you sweat
Oh,
up.
it's good.
Martel thing, one and love. Describe.
Oh, people, Rasta add more salt.
No hard me a hard. I tip a little salt to the thing. I know say salt go there, but you can't taste about me a hard. You think that's class with them when I check 1 and 2? The last I eat that. Black lab beer. I eat that.
So the beer really do not fit.
You go see what the beer do when they drink it. I wonder how the beer, them say beer having hops in it, you know. The beer flavor it up.
Okay.
And see? Eat the people. Right, come turn on like you see in that pot. Eat it now, look down in there.
Let's see what going on
Yeah,
right now.
yeah.
Get them a close up.
See it? Wow. See it there?
So this is an ital soup this. Goat in it.
Hey, you see a ram goat soup we are cook. Hey, David man a cook on cark to us we are cook ital soup. And he can't goat head come for I cook
No,
soup
true,
today.
that we talk about.
We never talk about no ital. We are talking about goat head. You want to know it you get today?
Alright.
Boxing Day, Friday.
Rasta.
Rastafari, I come for the goat head soup today now. Right up on the
So ready?
Ready? It's more than ready. You think I'm ready?
You sure you're not taking it off for 4 times?
You're clicking it.
Nah, man, it look good.
On that.
Oh, God.
Great.
Here.
I'll know it's a bubble to you, Rasta.
The bubble right here.
It's a bubble, man. Yeah, man, me done a thief for liquor pot a long time. So, you know, you want pepper.
No
Yeah.
pepper.
I don't know what you want. Yeah, man, so I just go in the final taste test, love fiddly.
Alright, let them know
Thick
how
still,
go
huh?
on. Yeah, so I like the consistency, man.
Thick, man. Okay, boy, that talk about grandma, you Rasta? Tell them I'm going to eat now. Yeah, man. Active in a fiddly.
See people, super active. You bring my
Wow.
cherry guitar man and come ball for me now.
No, if I take my word, guess who taste your one fiddly? Tell them.
Yeah, wait for you to take the second sip, because you say active too fast. So
No, man, it's active, man. But you hot? You know, say.
I know you're not telling a lie for Rasta
No,
still.
you're mad.
Yeah,
You're
active,
mad.
man. Up and running.
You know,
Boss, up and
once
running.
again.
See, Martel. One
But when I like fiddly,
No.
see pepper. The pepper,
Yeah.
that's all it did shot right now.
Up and running.
What?
Perfect.
Don't tell us anything on yourself on the one. Me I deal with it. But don't bring the devil pan the corner. Bowl me are drinking that today. See, no cup,
It's a big bowl.
big bowl. The people. Bowl. Bowl of ram goat soup Rasta drink today.
Yeah.
See it there?
Good Rasta.
Fiddly says you ready to tell them the honest truth, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Add piece of pepper to mine, you know, I love spice long time.
She would what that you want me on this?
Why?
What that? Why? What that you do?
Peeps. Yeah.
Yes, it go
Like
on.
the consistency so far, is it?
People. I
Goat
take a-
itself full of flavor.
Yeah.
Look at pepper could have added as well tell us still from the get go Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do
It's not
want.
under spice or nothing, you know, but the pepper.
Yeah, we do
coulda
want
take
more
to come
pepper.
out
Does
yeah.
The pepper not so
But
hot.
you not put in the pepper because we have the pepper there.
But the pepper not going down boil out, so what I go do?
Yes,
The
so
pepper
you-
they not
so
well
you're
fit.
going good.
The pepper
You
they
go
not
on
fit.
The man say you go on
The
good
pepper
Rasta.
them,
Alright, watch me
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
The
yeah,
pepper
but-
they not fit people, but the pepper still been up with the ram goat soap. You know, say a ram goat Rasta say all the while, and see my one and my bowl, I take a sip, just like this.
As me
So,
tell you
so
still,
Rasta,
Yes.
Rasta.
Yes, aya.
you're going good.
Fiddly.
Yeah?
Where Rasta have next to we?
You know, say him tell we say him want try some underground chicken.
No, not me never tell you that. Don't tell a lie, pa. You tell me say no want some
Aye,
brown
aye.
stew chicken.
No, he
I'm
want to do
saying-
some chicken or whole of chicken over live fire. That I
Oh,
next
that I
thing.
Yeah,
next
we
thing.
can do that to
Yes,
put
sir.
and turn it on the fire.
Either that or
People, me not tell
One
no lie.
ital stew.
But wait, me I tell them about this ram goat soup and then bring it on. So if we go on into that, me not tell them first we could sit me take patter for me.
Yeah. Say pata here.
One
Love
cup.
it.
One
One
cup
cup I get,
one
I
cup
get
I
more.
get.
So Rasta, you say people have to catch up on next epic, though.
Yeah, if I catch up on the next episode, you know, say live and direct just as usual.
Yeah.
Rasta at the control scene, you see there? And my ball is, watch it.
yeah, man, as I tell you, Rasta go on good.
Wow.
Give him
Nah,
10
tell
out
a
of
lie.
10 to them. Nah, girl.
Not telling lie, people.
Yeah,
We're on
give one-
the subscribe. You know, see that there.
Watch it, you see that, guys?
Right now, money man, if a bowl like this, could have send cross to the camera tone and make on the taste it. Because I'm not telling myself, wow.
Yeah.
Mad.
Yeah.
All right. Up and
Yeah,
run.
say Fiddly, I win again.
Good thing I hear soup you spit up, you know.
You know, my word.
Alright, guys, look over.